Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check the Honor tablet model and whether the keyboard uses Bluetooth or the smart connector. Charge both devices to at least 20%, then power the keyboard on so it can advertise. On the tablet, open Settings and enable Bluetooth. Once done, keep the tablet unlocked. Physically remove any covers, place the tablet and keyboard on a flat surface, and align the connector pins or magnets carefully. This prevents misalignment later and speeds up discovery. You now handle the core pairing steps depending on connection type. If using Bluetooth, tap scan, choose the keyboard name, enter or confirm the numeric code shown, and accept. Pairing completes in seconds. If using the smart connector, attach the keyboard firmly until the tablet shows a keyboard detected notification. No code is required. Once connected, make sure to accept any firmware updates or install the Honor keyboard utility. These updates fix layout and shortcut behavior, so do them before you finish by testing the keyboard. Type a paragraph, check function keys, backlight, and common shortcuts to confirm behavior. Then go to Settings, refine the keyboard language and layout, and tweak input delay if needed so typing feels natural. If something goes wrong, first restart both tablet and keyboard, then try removing and repairing or reattaching the smart connector. If problems persist, update firmware, try a different tablet port or Bluetooth profile, and only then contact Honor support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.